northeastern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Branch County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, northwest cold water.
Severe thunderstorm warning on 98.1.
At 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Angola, Fremont, Eden, Columbia, Ray, Kinderhook, California, Gilead, Camden, Montgomery, Clear Lake, York, Alvarado, East Gilead, Nevada Mills, Nettle Lake, Crooked Lake, Berlin, Lake James, and Lake of the Woods. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 135 and 157.
Oh, my head right there.
Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 5. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in
NWR glitch. Well, I'm taking the radio downstairs today, I guess. Yes.
of 77 at 40.
As I was mentioning, setting that guy to monitor WXJ58, we get another EAS.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fremont, or 9 miles south of Coldwater, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Storm spotters also reported a funnel cloud near Kinderhook of Branch County, Michigan. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fremont around 9:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Camden, Kinderhook, Columbia, York, Montgomery, Clear Lake, Ray, California, Coldwater Lake, and Lake of the Woods. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 356 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 142 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile...
That's not good. Oh my god. We got a tornado warning. Tornado warning ass catch. There's gonna be a few more today. Record! What the heck, WXJ58? Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Williams County in northwestern Ohio until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near West Unity, or near Archbold, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Archbold, Swanson, Delta, West Unity, Fayette, Littus, Braley, Zone, Joe, Winneman, Colton, Elmira, Pedro, and Odyssey. Between mile markers 20 and 48. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado,
God, I'm not gonna get off this thing, am I?
In a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Fulton, Henry, and Williams. At this time, spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed.
Millions for our economy since solar panels.
Well, it seems like 98.1's resorted to not relying on WXA 58.
Mid-70s. With mostly sunny skies.
Gas, oil, wind, solar, biofuels, ultimate create jobs, reduce our utility bills, and make
Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
All right. Severe thunderstorm warning for our area.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, southwestern Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Williams County in northwestern Ohio until Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Damage. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, and trees caused.
Going to be on display.
Bryan, Archbold, Stryker, Pulaski, Farmer, May, Evansport, Jewel, Regeville Corners, Williams Center, Melbourne, Hammock, and Brunersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams.
Dear God, you've got to be freaking kidding me. I thought we were out of the woods, but no, we have a severe thunderstorm.